Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Tinder Boost on your phone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Tinder app, open the app, and as you can see on the top right of the screen, there is that purple icon, the Boost icon. You have just to click on it, and this option is not for free. So if you are using a premium subscription, Tinder will give you one boost every month, one free boost every month. And if you don't want to have a premium subscription, you can buy boosts. As you can see, there is like $10 for one boost or 34 for 5 boosts and $60 for 10 boosts. And as you can see, if you use Tinder Gold or more, you will have one free boost per month, and that boost will show your profile more for people. So in that time, for the 30 minutes, you can match with more people than usual. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.